This video tutorial is about Limited English Proficiency LEP web map, which is part of the Culturally and Linguistically Appropriate Services class story map. The data source is the American Community Survey 5-year, 2011 to 2015. Unfortunately, this is the latest available data on Limited English Proficiency or LEP. The American Community Survey refers to those with limited English proficiency, LEP, as persons who speak English less than very well. The web map was created based on the distribution of native speakers of various languages who have limited English proficiency, referred to henceforth as LEP individuals. Although three categories of language speakers are shown, the map itself and its legend will relate exclusively to those with limited English proficiency. The three categories are: 1. Those who speak English only at home. 2. Persons who speak a language other than English at home but speak English very well. 3. Persons who speak a language other than English at home but have limited English proficiency or speak English less than very well. On the far left side of the web map are important tabs, including 1. the Show Legend tab, 2. the Show Table tab, 3. the Change Styles tab, 4. the Filtering tab, and 5. Additional Options tab. Clicking any county subdivision displays the following information, and when you click any county subdivision, there will be a suffix with a CCD. CCD stands for County Census Division. The information displayed are as follows: 1. Information about the data and data source. 2. The name of the county subdivision and the county it is in. 3. The estimated population of the county subdivision. 4. The number and percent of the population that speaks English very well at home. 5. The number of Spanish speakers who speak English very well. 6. The number of Spanish speakers who are limited English speakers. 7. The number of speakers of other European and Middle Eastern languages who are limited English speakers. 8. The number of speakers of select Asian languages who are limited English speakers. Information on the last two categories is provided in the form of column charts. Scroll all the way down to get to the graphs. Click the side arrows to toggle between the other European and Middle Eastern languages and select Asian languages. At this point, we will switch over to the map. On the far left side, again, is the Show Legend, Show Table tab, Change Style tab, Filtering tab. For example, you can use a drop-down to filter out the number of county census divisions or those county census divisions where the number of Arabic speakers is at least 50. There is also the Perform Analysis tab, and finally the Additional Options or More Options tab. Click here to see the legend, or click here to see the legend. The map is currently visualizing the number of Spanish speakers who speak English less than very well. If you click Change Styles and then use the drop-down, you're able to select the number of other native speakers of other languages who speak English less than very well. For example, the number of Tagalog speakers who speak English less than very well. The map currently is referring to the number of Spanish speakers who speak English less than very well, but we can switch that to the number of Tagalog speakers who speak English less than very well. The color scheme goes from light brown, very light brown, to dark brown. The darker the color, the larger or the higher the number of speakers of a given native language who speak English less than very well. One of the great features of this map is the ability it provides to sort the number of speakers of various languages in a county subdivision in descending or ascending order. For this, you start with the Show Table tab. Scroll here. For example, clicking here allows you to sort in ascending or descending order the number of speakers, Spanish speakers, who speak English less than very well. Let's choose the descending order. So based on this sorting, we have a county census division where 500,000 individuals are Spanish speakers who speak English less than very well. In this county subdivision, there are a total of 1,025,921 Spanish speakers. The total population in this county census division is 2,403,152. To get to or highlight the county subdivision that this row represents, click the three lines here and then click Show Selected Record. And that record is highlighted on the map. And it is indeed the Los Angeles County Census Division in Los Angeles County, which had an estimated population of 2,403,152, of whom 987,652 speak English only, which is 41.1%. The number of speakers who speak, Spanish speakers who speak English well, and those who speak it less than very well, was 525,569 and 500,352 respectively in this county subdivision. Scrolling all the way down, we'll visualize the number of speakers of other European languages and Middle Eastern languages. For example, we have Greek, 406 individuals, Russian, 11,054 individuals, Armenian, 8,421 individuals who speak English less than very well, 11,475 Persian speakers who speak English less than very well, 3,544 Arabic speakers who speak English less than very well, and finally, 1,937 Hebrew speakers who speak English less than very well. Clicking this arrow will toggle to the category we refer to as Select Asian Languages. There are a bunch of Asian languages missing in the middle. On the far left side is a bar for Chinese speakers who speak English less than very well, 27,617 of them. The largest number for this county census subdivision in terms of the number of select speakers of Asian languages who speak English less than very well, Korean is number one in this county subdivision, in the Los Angeles County Census Division, with a total of 53,522. We also have Cambodian, 1,960 individuals who speak English less than very well, 4,315 Vietnamese speakers who speak English less than very well, and finally, 16,494 Tagalog speakers who speak English less than very well. We can also base the selection on other factors. For example, let's clear the selection. For example, other variables, for example, the percentage of English-only speakers. Let's try ascending order this time. So the lowest percentage of persons speaking English only at home is 4%. The lowest percentage for any county census division in California is 4%. And to know what this location is, click the three down lines again and click Show Selected Records. And now go over to the map, and the county census division that fits this category is at the very bottom, the southern most end of California, and it's the Calexico County Census Division in Imperial County that had an estimated population of 37,025, of whom 1,481 speak English only, which is just 4%. The number of Spanish speakers who speak English very well, and those who speak it less than very well, was 14,934 and 20,084 respectively. So 20,000 Spanish speakers who speak English less than very well just in this one county census division in Imperial County. This is the end of the visualization.